Hi, how are you doing? Well, today we are going to talk about econometrics. So here is a brief introduction. Well, in any research or a method, relationship among the variables comprising the model of the research plays the most important role, and so understanding this relationship is of uttermost relevance to a researcher or a learner. An in-depth understanding of a subject like econometrics will make a student or a learner aware of the basic details of the research methodology and also prepare the learner for all sorts of inquiries in personal and professional paths. It also provides an insight of the economic phenomena and their interrelationship in the economy to the learner. So it deals with the applied form of economics and statistics, which plays very crucial roles in several areas like engineering sciences, biological sciences, medical sciences, geosciences, agricultural sciences, etc. In econometrical methods, those statistical methods which help in explaining the economic phenomenon were adopted. The econometric relationships depict the random behavior of economic relationships, which are generally not considered in economics and mathematical formulations. In simple words, whenever there is a need of finding the stochastic relationship in mathematical format, the econometric methods and tools are of great help. This was a very brief introduction about this paper. To know more about this particular paper and study the detailed syllabus at UG and PG level, register with miwatutorials.com. Thank you.